Imagine that tomorrow your company's most experienced software engineer resign. The organization lost not only an employee but also years of knowledge, experience, and innovation. Hello everyone, my name is Tricayu Agung Budiarjo from Telkom University Indonesia. Today, I'm pleased to present our research entitled Sustaining Organizational Knowledge by Reducing Turnover Intention through Knowledge Sharing and Perceived Organizational Support in Software as a Service Companies. This study was conducted together with my supervisor and co-authors, Ms. Dian Indiati, and thank you for taking the time to watch this presentation. The development of software as a service or SaaS has transformed global business competitions from relying on physical assets into knowledge-based organizations. Knowledge is the source of innovations and product development to support organizational sustainability. Therefore, the organization's ability to retain knowledge is becoming an increasingly important topic in the digital industry competition. Statista project global software as a service revenue to rise by 21.91% in 2026. The Grandview Research report also shows that the software as a service industry is projected to continue growing as the adoption of AI and digital services increases across various industrial sectors. The Asia Pacific region exhibits the strongest growth momentum, indicating that software as a service companies operating in this region face increasing competition not only in technology and innovation, but also in attracting and retaining highly skilled knowledge employees. Indonesia is a country with 127% growth in AI-based application revenue in 2025. Around 80% of Indonesian digital users use AI-based tools every day, and Java Island is the main center of Indonesia's digital economic development. In such companies, one of the main challenges faced by organization is knowledge loss, which result in the loss of critical knowledge from employees leaving the company. Results of knowledge loss in a slowdown in employee learning and an erosion of the business competitive advantage. For software as a service companies to be viable, the employees responsible for the technological development and innovation must be steady. In this case, organization must create a work environment where employees feel valued and supported in their work. Therefore, perceived organizational support becomes a strategic issue for human resource management practice. The loss of employees may cause the loss of competencies in the business, and this might decrease the competitiveness of the company. That is why such companies need to detect employee turnover intention early. Although previous studies have investigated several determinants of turnover intention, the existing evidence remains fragmented. So, the research gap of this study is knowledge sharing has been more frequently examined in the context of innovation and organizational performance than as a factor influencing turnover intention. And the relationship among perceived organizational support, knowledge sharing, and turnover intention has more often been examined in isolation rather than as an interconnected mechanism. Such companies are highly dependent on employee knowledge and competence, but there is a relative lack of empirical research on the relationship between knowledge sharing, perceived organizational support, and turnover intention in the context of such companies. This study contributes to the knowledge management literature. Knowledge sharing and perceived organizational support are relevant not only for improving organizational performance but also for reducing turnover intentions. In software as a service companies, lower turnover intention might have preserved valuable organizational knowledge by reducing the knowledge loss associated with employee departures. Therefore, this study is grounded in three established theories. First, the knowledge-based view explains that knowledge is a strategic organizational resource, making knowledge sharing essential for sustaining competitive advantage. Second, organizational support theory suggests that employees who perceive greater organizational support are more likely to exhibit positive workplace behaviors. Finally, Moblet's turnover model explains how employees develop intention to leave an organization. Together, these theories provide the theoretical foundation for examining the effects of knowledge sharing and perceived organizational support on turnover intention in software as a service companies. This study employed a quantitative research design. Stakeholder targeted all work in the SaaS companies, both technical and administrative employee. Data were collected through an online questionnaire. All constructs were measured using previously validated instruments from the existing literature and assessed on a 5-point Likert scale. The collected data were analyzed using partial least square structural equation modeling. The analysis consists of two stages. First, the measurement model was evaluated to ensure the reliability and validity of the construct. Second, the structural model was assessed to examine the proposed relationship between knowledge sharing and perceived organizational support and also turnover intentions. A total of 325 valid responses were included in the analysis. The gender distribution was relatively balanced, comprising 170 males or 52.3% and 155 females or 47.7%. The relatively balanced gender composition minimizes the potential for gender-related bias in the measurement. Therefore, the findings are considered to adequately reflect the characteristics of employees in the SaaS industry. Most respondents were between 25 and 34 years old, had a bachelor degree, and had 1 to 5 years of work experience. These characteristics reflect the typical of workforce profile of SaaS companies, which is dominated by young and highly educated knowledge employees. Now, let me present the results of this study. First, the measurement model was evaluated to examine the reliability and validity of the research construct. The results indicate that all indicators met the recommended criteria. None of the Cronbach alpha values are below the recommended threshold of 0.70. Similarly, all composite reliability value exceed the threshold of 0.70, while all average variance extracted or AVE values are above the recommended cutoff 0.50. This finding confirmed that all constructs are both valid and reliable. Furthermore, discriminant validity was established, confirming that each construct is empirically distinct and measures a unique concept. Therefore, the measurement model was considered appropriate for testing the structural relationship. Next, the structural model was assessed to test the proposed hypothesis. This value indicates that the knowledge sharing variables can explain 59.7% of the variation in perceived organizational support, and turnover intention can be explained by the knowledge sharing and perceived organizational support variable by 78.4%. The effect size results indicate that all relationships among the construct make meaningful contribution to the structural model. Overall, these findings suggest that the structural model has strong explanatory capability in explaining the causal relationship among the research construct. Regarding the hypothesis testing, the results show that knowledge sharing has a significant negative effect on turnover intention, with a PAT coefficient of minus 0.414 and a p-value of 0.000. This finding indicates that employees who actively participate in knowledge sharing activities are less turnover intention. Therefore, the first hypothesis is supported. Perceived organizational support also has a negative and significant effect on turnover intention, as indicated by a path coefficient of minus 0.525 and p-value of 0.000 or under 0.05. Accordingly, the second hypothesis is supported. This suggests that employees who perceive greater organizational support tend to have lower turnover intentions. Furthermore, perceived organizational support has a positive and significant effect on perceived organizational support with a PEG coefficient of 0.773 and a p-value 0.000 or under 0.05. Therefore, the third hypothesis is supported. This finding indicates that when employees feel supported and valued by their organization, they are more willing to share knowledge with their colleagues. The finding of this study provide important insight into employee retention in software as a service companies. First, the significant negative relationship between knowledge sharing and turnover intention suggests that employees who actively exchange knowledge are more likely to feel connected to their organization and less likely to consider leaving. This finding supports the knowledge-based view, which emphasizes that knowledge is a strategic organizational resource and that a strong knowledge-sharing cultures can contribute to organizational sustainability. Second, the negative effect of perceived organizational support on turnover intention indicates that employees who feel valued and supported by their organization are less likely to develop intention to leave. This finding is consistent with organizational support theory or OST, which explains that employees tend to reciprocate organizational support through positive work attitudes and behaviors. Third, the positive relationship between perceived organizational support and knowledge sharing demonstrate that organizational support encourages employees to share their knowledge and expertise with colleagues. When employees perceive that the organization value their contribution and cares about their well-being, they become more willing to collaborate and exchange knowledge. Overall, this finding suggests that organizational support not only directly reduces turnover intention but also promotes a culture of knowledge sharing. For software as a service companies, where competitive advantage depend heavily on employees' knowledge, strengthening organizational support and encouraging knowledge sharing can help retain employees, preserve valuable organizational knowledge, and sustain long-term organizational competitiveness. In conclusion, this study demonstrates that the knowledge sharing and perceived organizational support play significant roles in reducing turnover intention among employees in software as a service companies. Furthermore, perceived organizational support also promotes knowledge sharing and highlighting the importance of a supportive organizational environment. These findings contribute to the literature by extending the roles of knowledge sharing beyond innovation and organizational performance to employee retention. They also suggest that reducing turnover intention is essential not only for retaining talented employees, but also for preserving valuable organizational knowledge in knowledge-intensive organizations such as software as a service companies. From a practical perspective, managers should foster a supportive work environment and encourage knowledge sharing practices to strengthen employee retention and sustain long-term organizational competitiveness. Thank you very much for watching this presentation. On behalf of my supervisor and co-author, Dr. Dian Idiati, and myself, thank you for your time and attention.